Alright, so in this video we're looking at Code.org's CS Discoveries Lesson 9, and we're looking at the sprite properties. So we do have a new block here called fly.scale. And basically, so this is taking the fly that is in this picture, and if we run it right now, it's kind of, these are too big. They're just not the correct size, and actually he's a little bit too big too, so we're going to kind of change the scale of these because we actually have a character back there in the background too. And we need to just kind of change the size of these. And that's what the scale property changes. What it does is it changes the size of these. So notice we have some directions here. It says scale of 1 is the normal size, scale of 2 is twice as big, and scale of 0.5 is half as big. So these, when we see these scales, like this is 100%. It's the normal size of what the object is. If we did 2, it would be double that size, so 200% of what it was. And so really what you're looking for is the decimal values to shrink them down if you want to, make them smaller. So we'll take the fly. Essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to make this half the size, and we'll try this one half the size. Let's just try all these half the size and see what we get. And then the elephant will do half as well. Although I think maybe if we look at this picture, we might want him a little bit bigger than the cow, but let's take a look. Okay, so see what we've done here is we made them, now they've kind of shrunk down to the right size. Look like this is correct, and this is correct, and this is correct. Looks like our elephant is a little bit too big, so we're going to go ahead and make that 0.75. So it'll be 75% of what the normal size of this character is. All right, let's go ahead and run this again. And that looks better. So we just want to make that this correct size. Okay, so anyways, that's how you fix that. And you just want to make sure, like with any of these, that they have the same name as what your variable is, which these all do. But as you go through your coding and you start adding your own characters and changing the scale, you want to make sure that these all have the same name. Okay, because we're changing this variable of cow, we're setting the animation to cow, and then we're going to change the scale of it, and we're going to make this size different. Okay, all right, good luck with your coding.